My name is Diego Gomezcaña, and today I'm heading out on a short one-night backpacking trip, hiking for a total of 12 miles round trip along the Porcupine Wash in the Hexie Mountains zone of Joshua Tree National Park. Here we go, off into the desert. Joshua Tree National Park. Let's go. So I wasn't really paying attention to where I was going, and I realized I was going veering off course. So I just came cross country, and finally that canyon down there is where I'm supposed to be going. There's Porcupine Wash. I don't know, I was following like some other wash that got me like, I was going kind of parallel to this, but I was veering off course. So course corrected. Now I gotta make my way down there. So yeah, you gotta be careful when doing off-trail backpacking like this. You know, make sure you know how to navigate, because it can get really easy to get lost out here. Yeah, hopefully it's not too difficult to get down there. There's Porcupine Wash, so I had to keep going in that direction. Well, I hope you've enjoyed coming along on yet another backpacking adventure with me, this time out here in Joshua Tree National Park. I know I've been gone for a while, right? I haven't posted anything on my channel here for a really long time. There's a lot more content coming up. I just have a ton of videos that I haven't edited, and you know, it just takes a long time, so I haven't been doing it. But just wanted to get another backpacking trip, really quick one, out of the way, and to make another easy, quick video for you. And after this, expect to be seeing some more backpacking adventures. I did a trip over to the Santa Rosa Island, and then another Yosemite backpacking trip. I took my brother this time. I'm sure you'll enjoy that one. I've also got some more international content coming up. I traveled to the island of Dominica in the Caribbean. Not the Dominican Republic. A lot of people get confused about that. It's another country, Dominica, the nature island. It's beautiful, a lot of waterfalls and rivers. I did a lot of backpacking and hiking up there in the mountains and rainforests, so awesome. And I also went to Guatemala recently, so hiked up the volcano and did some trekking through the jungle to visit some ancient Mayan ruins. So a lot more content coming up as soon as I get everything edited. And of course, I'm gonna keep traveling more whenever I can, or going on more adventures and sharing them with you here. So thank you very much to all of you that have subscribed to my channel and have stuck with me all this time, even though I don't post that often. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and you can see all this other content that's coming up. So stay tuned for more. That's all for me for today. Muchas gracias, and I'll see you around. Hey, so I'm just walking back to my car now, so the same way I came here, going along the Porcupine Wash. And forgot to mention that, you know, I say I'm gonna try to post some more videos more often here on YouTube, but I'm not making any promises. So if you want to keep more up to date with my adventures, follow along as they happen, you can follow me on my Instagram. All right, I'm a lot more active over there than here on YouTube. All right, that's all.